Hello everyone, welcome to our RT calculation tool on our website. The purpose of this tool is to give an approximate idea of the quantity of acoustic products that you need to achieve a target reverberation time within a certain room. You need to select if you want meters or feet, then you need to place the room dimensions. I'm thinking about a home cinema, 6 meters length, 4 meters width and 2.7 high. You need to say if the room is furnished, at least 10% is furnished. So then room finishes. The ceiling is made of concrete. You can select others for the walls, maybe it's plasterboard. And the floor finish, in this case, has a large carpet. Now for the target RT, you can have already a target RT that you wish for and add it manually, or you select a room type. In this case, it's a cinema room. It could be a pro audio or hi-fi room, but it's a cinema room. And then it's asked if you have RT measurements for the room. If you have, you can add them manually. If you don't, you select no. So acoustic treatment, now you have the surfaces of the ceiling, walls and bass traps that you need. You have here the current calculated RT and the target that you want to achieve. And you see in the results that currently the RT is very high and the goal is to be between the upper limit and the lower limit here. And here you select the products for the ceiling. So I'm going to be with this. And you have 4 units per box, so you need to think to several boxes. In this case, 8 units will be 2 boxes. Go down here, you see that you are getting some results on the RT. Then for the bass traps, you can add some mega bass trap for each of the corners. And as you can see, it's turned green here, so you have the target that you want to achieve. And as you can see, in average, it's sort of between the upper and lower limits. You then can place your name, the project type, and additional observations, and generate the final PDF, which will be downloaded, and you can see it here with a PDF with the results, the estimated RT, and the products with links to the product page. That's it. That's our RT tool.